Trudy said, why is some biab in a pot and some brush on? And it's a great question. While I answered tongue-in-cheek that biab in a pot wouldn't be biab, since the name itself uses the word bottle, that's not entirely true. Builder gels of any kind can be in any vessel, but builder in a bottle gets its name from typically being packaged in bottles similar to gel polish bottles. Traditionally, builder gels are packaged in pots and a separate gel brush is used. Builder in a pot has been around for a long time, but couldn't be moved to a bottle without compromising the strength, which is how gel polish was born, until more recently. The strength is still compromised, but not as much as it would have been previously, as technology has advanced in the time that has passed. Thinner formulas of builder gel have become trendy in recent years because the thinner the formula, the easier it is to use out of a bottle, and bottles are just easier and less sticky and fussy in general. The perk of having builder gel in a bottle is definitely the convenience of not needing a separate brush. The soft, flexible bristles of a bottle brush are more suited to painting thinner layers of product and floating product over the nail. This is useful for applying thin overlays, capping nail art, or using biabs as a base coat. As I alluded to before, some builders in a bottle actually come in pots, like Lux's Build, but it's the same product, a soft builder gel. It can be beneficial to have biab in a pot because the wide opening of a pot makes it easier to pick up larger beads of gel, making services more efficient, and you have more choice over what brush to use. A smaller, firmer bristled brush will give you more control of the gel and is useful when applying thicker overlays or extending nails. There are often actual differences between pot and bottle formulas too. Artistic correction gel used to come in a pot or in a bottle. The bottle was thinner and therefore weaker, but also more versatile. The pot was thicker and therefore stronger, but also less versatile. Much harder to paint over glitter and things like that. Artistic do only have the bottle version now. If your biab is packaged in a bottle, but you'd like to have the option of scooping it out of a pot, you can buy empty gel pots and decant some biab into them. You can use the bottle's brush or a gel brush to apply the gel, or switch between brushes depending on the service that you're doing. There are endless gel brush options available, and it's your personal preference to decide which to use.